Changing a heater in the TechSource system's commercial freeze dryer takes less than 1 minute. To make full electrical contact, simply insert the shelf fully into the product rack. The leads are automatically guided into custom receptacles in the back of the rack. This heater has 4 additional leads clustered near the center. These are the connection leads for the dual temperature sensors. Each rolling rack includes 3 shelves with embedded temperature sensors, which creates 3 control zones in each rack. Changing a failed heater or temperature sensor has never been this quick and easy until now. To learn more, visit the product information page on the website. Better yet, give us a call so we can answer all of your questions.